Hello everyone and magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Welcome to another edition of our end of the market recap ngayong araw na to, April 27, no? 2021. So today is Tuesday. Hello sa inyo, magandang hapon. Ayan. So let's just wait for the rest, no? Maybe about 2 more minutes and then magsisimula tayo. This type of end of day discussion is mainly we will be focusing on kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa market as we go into the end of day ngayong araw, no? And also pag-uusapan din natin yung mga important topics, news na lumalabas. Specifically kung nabalitaan ninyo, so PNB had announced a stock dividend or property dividend ng kanilang holding company. So, ayun, yun yung pag-uusapan natin today. Yan. Sige, so let's just wait for the rest and then magsisimula tayo, ano. Hello, Christian. Good afternoon. Oo nga eh, pasensya na kahapon. Medyo grabe yung matindi yung mga galawan kahapon sa work kaya hindi ako kaya hindi ako nakatutok actually sa market, no. And actually even today, tinry ko lang na isingit talaga yung end of the market recap natin kasi to be honest, hindi ko rin siya na-review, 'di ba? So, ayan. Okay. Sige, sige. Kumusta ang lunch? Sino mga kumakain na diyan? Ayan. So, sige, no. Hello, Evan. Good afternoon. Loner FOMO, MRC sir, ano ang meron? Actually, nakita ko kasi MRC ang lakas niya kanina, 'di ba? Hindi ko rin alam actually, no. Silipin natin. Wala namang masama to check. Although technical wise, medyo nag-bounce siya doon sa MA 200 niya, no? At least yun yung napansin ko. Yeah, wala eh. Wala namang report actually. Wala akong makita so far, no? So, sige, try natin silipin mamaya si MRC, no? Kung anong meron sa kanya, sinong bumobodega at kung sino yung mga nagpapalipad sa kanya. Ayan. Okay. Hello, Alex. Magandang tanghali. Ganun ba? So, akong kalendaryo mo ganun. Ayos. Lawrence, nagkalat sa FBA mga mahilig hype ng mining-related stocks. Well, yeah, ganun talaga, no? Kapag merong mga medyo may galawan na stocks, expect talaga na merong hype. Di ba? So, wala eh. Ganun talaga. That's how the market works actually. No? And I don't think we can remove that. So, basically, we just have to embrace na meron talagang mga hype and be mature enough and responsible enough para ma-make sure natin na hindi naman tayo alam niyo yun, hindi naman tayo nakikisaw-saw lang or something. Hello Alvin, good afternoon. AJ, Gloria, Tessie, okay naman, thank you. How are you? Wow, sarap naman ginisang upo. Parang gusto ko rin nun. John Churchill, nagbibigay ba dividend si MM? Ang alam ko wala silang dividend policy, no? Pero for approval. Okay? Ngayon, hindi ko pa alam kung meron or wala. Pero this is just my opinion. I think wala. No? Kasi again, MM is still on a, alam niyo yun, growth stage eh. So, even meron akong hawak na MM, I will not vote na ibigay siya as dividend. I would rather have that money invested, magpatayo ng mga additional kiosk and stalls, di ba? That way, mas malaki yung potential niya in the future, di ba? So, ayan, teka lang. Wait lang guys, hindi ako nakakuha ng water ngayon eh. So, kukuha lang ako mabilis lang Teka lang, teka lang. Ayan, okay. So, sige 'no, pasensya na ha, kumuha lang ako ng water. Okay, ngayon ganito muna gawin natin 'no, kasi it's already 12:35, gusto kong mabigay sa inyo yung news 'no. Sino sa inyo yung nakarinig na about doon sa property dividend announcement ni PNB? Kahapon yon, in-announce ng PNB kahapon yung property dividend nila, okay. Are you guys interested to buy PNB? I just wanted to know, yung mga thoughts ninyo about it. Kasi yun yung basically tatalakayin natin in the next 5 minutes. Okay? So pakita ko lang yung disclosure para at least mas maintindihan nating lahat. And then I'll give you some more details about it para at least you are fully aware. Ayan. Okay. So, umpisahan ko lang muna 'no. So, kahapon nagbigay ng dividend ng announcement, tama ba? Dividend announcement etong si PNB. And ang sabi niya dito is that we wish to advise exchange na after nung kanilang board meeting, so naaprubahan ang property dividend 'no of up to 2 million shares, common shares ng PNB Holdings Corporation or PHC. Okay, with par value 100, and then to all the stockholders as of record date May 18, subject to regulatory blah blah blah. Okay. Now, paano magiging distribution ng dividend na to? That that will be the property dividend, which is etong si PHC, will be paid at a ratio of 0.1568 shares of PHC for every 1 share of PNB. Okay? So trying to highlight that para you are fully aware. So kada isang PNB shares, mabibigyan ka ng 0.1569. Basically, ito yun. Ni-round off ko na lang of PHC. Okay? So ito yun yung ibig sabihin. If we recall, there are two types of dividend, hindi ba? Meron tayong tinatawag na common shares. Ay, sorry, mali ako. Meron tayong tinatawag na cash dividend at meron tayong tinatawag na property. Ayan. Okay, sa cash dividend, obviously, this is cash. Ito yung normal. No? Normal itong binibigay. Okay? Tapos, meron din naman tayong tinatawag na property. No? Wherein, ito yung gagawin ng PNB. Okay? As you can see here, highlight ko lang again ha. Unlike the usual, mapapansin natin, fraction lang ng PHC ang mabibigay every 1 PNB. No? So, paano ka magkakaroon ng 1 PHC? O nga, no? Paano nga ba? 0.156 nga ba? Sige. Mamaya na lang. Try natin compute. Medyo sabaw pa ako ngayon. Pasensya na, no? Tawag ito. Ay, oo nga. Thank you, Stephanie, no? Oo nga pala, meron pa palang stock dividend. Yan. So, tatlo basically ang type of dividend natin. Cash is yung normal na cash. Property, ito yung gagawin ng PNB. And then stock. Ano? Itong stock, ito yung percentage. Katulad ng gagawin ni CLI, 123% na stock dividend. So, ganun siya. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, what will happen here no on the property dividend? Since very rare lang ito mangyari, one of the most, kumbaga, in the recent memory no na nagkaroon ng property dividend was with RLC, Robinson's Land, way back noong, kailan ba siya nagbigay? 2018, 2019 or something? Diba? And then, so si RLC, Nag-property dividend naman siya kay APVI. Okay? So, yun yung nangyari sa kanya. Property dividend yon. Okay? Na same din ang gagawin ni PNB. Okay? And then, 'di ba? If we recall what happened kay APVI, na list siya sa PSE. After niyang malis into PSE, nakita natin nag-soar talaga, lumipad talaga ng gusto itong pricing ni APVI, no? From 40 yata at that time, umabot ito ng around 200 pesos per share hanggang sa bumaba na lang siya ulit. Okay? Now, the next question is, ano ang plano ng PNB kay PHC? Automatic ba siya na malilist sa PSE? The answer to that is no. Okay? Depende pa rin sa management ng PHC if they wanted to be included or to be added sa PSE. Okay? And paano siya makakapasok? One way of that is through by way of introduction. By way of introduction. Tama ba? Ayan. So, ito yung ginawa ni APVI nun, no? And most likely, in case na papasok, ito rin yung gagawin ni PHC. But again, this is discretion ng company. Okay? Hindi ibig sabihin automatic papasok agad, no. Depende talaga sa kung anong plano ng company. Okay? And in case, let's say for example, pumasok nga siya sa PSE, mag-aala APVI din ba siya? Yun yung magandang tanong. Di ba? Kasi again, we really don't know kung gaano kaganda yung magiging reception ng market. The only interesting part about by way of introduction sa pag-entry sa PSE is that on the first day, wala itong dynamic threshold. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng lumipad ito up to kung ilang percent niya gusto or pwede rin siya bumaba kahit ilang percent niya gusto. Okay? So, ayan. I hope this is clear. No? And now, with this one, would you still be interested or would you be interested to buy PNB para makakuha ng PHC? I'd like to know your thoughts. Okay? So, now let me check, no, ano nangyari kay PNB kahapon kasi maganda yung ano sa kanya, yung trading sa kanya. But today, let's have a quick look. Yan. So, yan, no. Ito yung kahapon, di ba? It was up, ilang percent ba to? Hindi ko na maalala yung kahapon, no. So, I think it was about 13%, no. And then today, gap up naman ulit siya, no. Although meron ng week sa taas. Ayan. Okay? So, broken na rin pati yung MA 200 line niya and the MA 50 line, 'di ba? Naging nag-turn na itong si PNB into a bullish status. However, if we recall sa mga ganitong klaseng sentiment, we have to find out kasi baka mag-die down ang news, no? And if that's the case, baka magkaroon ng profit taking eventually for PNB. Yan. Okay? So, now let me go back sa ating comment box and see kung meron mga specific questions. Tapos, I'll try to answer them. Ayun. Prince, I hope na ka-tune in ka and you were able to to get yung... Pero may, Prince, okay ba? I mean, malinaw ba yung explanation ng nangyari sa PNB? I'd like to know, ha? AJ, bumili po ng PNB bago pa magka-news. Uy, nice. Wala idea sa property dividend. Okay, yun. So, I hope na share ko siya. Malinaw na ba, AJ? Yan. Arya, paano po marireceive ang property dividend? Ayun. As I have mentioned kanina, kailangan meron lang kayong hawak. Kailan para lang siyang basically dividend, di ba? Sa dividend kasi we have X date. And same thing then with property, no? So, kailan na magiging X date na ito? Saan ba yun? Ayan. X date niya is May 13. So, dapat meron kang hawak na PNB para maka-receive ka ng property dividend. So, basically, this is just plain dividend, no? The way how you would expect or how you would be eligible kapag nagkaroon ng cash dividend. So, same lang siya. So, cash, property, and stock. Okay? Pare-parehas lang sila. Hmm. Hmm. Teka ha. Ayun, Arya. Ayun, thank you, thank you. Yep. Cash, stock, and property. That's correct. Yep, stocks dividend dito. Tapos, Evan, hindi po ba parang APVI po yan? Yes. Oo, ganun yung nangyari or ganun yung mangyayari, no? Pero the listing, again, gusto ko lang i-highlight, wala yon. Okay? Discretion ng company if gusto nila. When I tried to look back, review yung naging disclosure, walang binigay na hint, no, na papasok siya sa PSE by way of introduction. So wala pa. So we'll have to wait, no, kung ano yung mangyayari. Definitely no for me. Sigurado babagsak din yan after X-date. Yep, that is the expectation. Yung PNB pwedeng bumaba after the X-date. Okay? Kasi syempre may mga traders pa rin or investors na would like to have yung ganon and might be vie for yung malakasang galawan ulit, no? In case na matuloy ang by way of introduction. Ayan, malino naman. Jasper, paano sir ibebenta na? Jasper, what do you mean by ibebenta na? Alin yung ibebenta? Pa-clarify. I'd like to know. Okay? So, siguro while waiting, no, let me have a quick check kasi we are now at the pre-close phase, no? So, we will be resuming in the next 2 minutes. Okay? And with that, let's have a quick check kung ano ang nangyari. Projected price tayo. Baka mayroong mga surprises once again. Ayan. So far, projected natin, no? MRC, BHI, PX. Uy, for BHI, this is all-time high ulit, no? Tama ba? All-time or 52-week high? Basta, high siya today. Ayan. Okay. So far on the projected gainers, parang same pa rin naman as usual. While on the projected losers, wala, same lang din. Wala namang medyo surprising so far. Ayan. Okay. So let's have a quick check. Abangan na natin to, no? In the next 1 minute and 20 seconds, babalik na tayo ulit for the runoff period ng ating market. Ayan. Okay. Ayun. So kinarify ni ni Jasper kung paano daw ibebenta yung dividends. Okay. Yun yung magiging kaso, no? Yun yung magiging main question, to be honest, on that. Kung hindi siya i-list on PSE, then mahihirapan yung mga makakakuha to sell the dividends. Okay? So kumbaga meron ka lang hawak ng shares, ganun lang. And then antay na lang siya kung malilist nga ba sa PSE or i-deal mo siya sa company itself. Okay? So ganun yung mangyayari. And that is one of the downside, no? Kung halimbawa you are looking at the property dividend. So siya, kumbaga high risk, high reward na type of play itong ganito. Sabi ni Lawrence, kung may PNB ako from way back at almost 40 average price, would this be a good opportunity to exit with minimal losses? Exit yung alin, Lawrence? Exit ka saan? Kasi again, when we sell kasi a particular stock, then it would depend, no, kung magkano mo siya ibebenta and kung magkano yung average price mo. So doon mo makikita kung kumita ka ba or hindi. 'Di ba? So kung sabi mo is 40 pesos yung average price mo right now, PNB is trading at around 27 yata, 'di ba? Then that means you are at a loss. You are at a loss actually, no? Ngayon with Would this be a good opportunity to exit? Good opportunity to exit kung gano'n na kalaki yung down, ako I would say yes, 'no? Especially, kung halimbawang hindi ka naman talaga maglo-long term, okey? Kung hindi naman long term, then exit, dahil masyadong malaki na. Ayan, okay. So, now we are back 'no, sa ating run-off period and, quick check again kung merong nag-iba, wala rin naman, same pa din silang lahat. Ayan, okay. Now let me go back sa comment section, mamaya re-reviewin natin yung ano natin, yung ating end of day 'no, na recap, which is napapakamot ulo na lang talaga ako. Anyways, sabi ni, balikan ko lang, sabi ni Alvin, "Sir, eto yata yung kay MRC kasi may hawak din sila diyan sa Tampakan Mining. Kaya din gumalaw si Apo, PX, and ACR. Nabanggit kasi yung tatlong diyan." Okey. Alvin, ano yung news about Tambakan Mining? Kasi to be honest, hindi ako nakabalita sa properties ngayong araw na 'to and even kahapon. So, baka may news ka, that we can share, 'di ba? We can check naman din siyempre. Yan, okey, ayun eto, may binigay pala 'to si Alvin. Thank you for that. Paano ko ba siya i-ano? Hindi ko siya wait lang, pero this was 4:26 kahapon. Ano siya, CNN, 'di ba? Tampakan Mining, CNN, eto. Kasi I remember 2 weeks ago, ni-lift na yung suspension on the mga mining operations on some of the mining corporation way back nung kay Pinoy pa, 'di ba? So, kaya kung napansin natin way after nung ma-lift yon, yung mga mining stocks nagliliparan na rin, 'di ba? This one naman, 3 giant mines could strike gold. Okay, so tatlo yon. Hmm, ano ba 'to, mga gold minerals 'no, tama ba? Sige, I'll have to double check 'no, and review this one. Thank you Alvin, for sharing this. So yeah, mukhang gano'n nga yung nangyayari, 'di ba? Na on those companies na malakas in terms of gold production, most likely talagang gagalaw sila because of this. Medyo mahaba lang. Sige, anyways, let me go back. Sige, ano muna tayo, last one na lang, market recap, and then ayan. So far, PSEI is down 32 points. So we are closing at 6,356.47. Down tayo ng minus 0.52%. Value turnover natin sobrang nipis, 4.11 so far. And as usual, we are net foreign sell na naman ngayong araw na to with about 600 million na traded value. Okay? In terms of our index, sisilipin lang natin, mining and oil as expected is leading the charge with about 129 points or up ito ng 1.43%. The rest, bagsakan. No? Especially on the property side na siya yung pinaka-least talaga sa lahat. Okay? On the gainers and losers naman sa index natin, makikita na si URC, MPI, DMC ay up sila ngayon while the rest bagsak din. Okay? On the stat sheet, worst losers natin, ALCPB, pero maliit lang yung mga trades, JOH, OPM na magpinsan, and the rest. While on the top gainers naman, ayun, si MRC and then si BHI, no? Na medyo lumalakas na siya ulit. BHI currently, na, no? Ang next ko diyan is 0.12 eh. Next resistance ko kay BHI yung 0.12. So medyo malapit-lapit na siya. Okay? Unlike kasi sa all-time high na walang resistance, ang mga 52-week high kasi may resistance pa rin yan based on the previous na historical charts nila. Okay, so dun sa mga may hawak ng BHI, monitor itong 0.12, baka mauntog siya dyan. Okay? So, ayan. Hmm. Tapos MRC, no? Tipin na rin natin si MRC. Ito. So, MRC is up right now, almost 10%. So, ito. Ito yung sasabi ko, no, na pumatong siya doon sa MA 200 line. And right now, at 0.45, ang ganda ng galawan niya. Pati rin pala itong MA 50, nabasag na rin. Diba? So, nice. Congrats sa mga merong MRC holders. Sana magtuloy-tuloy siya. Ayan. Okay. What else? Sabi ni Prince, bumili ka ba ng PNB, sir? Actually, hindi. As I mentioned kahapon, talagang totally wala akong view sa market dahil sobrang busy. And then kanina, wala rin. I'm still thinking, no? I'm still thinking kasi uh, medyo interesting yung part nung sa by way of introduction ng PHC kung matutuloy. Okay, yun nga lang again, big gamble yon dahil syempre hindi naman sigurado. Diba? And baka sumakit lang yung ulo. Ayan. Okay. Arya, thoughts on MRC? Bakit po lumilipad? Ayan, yung na-mention ni Alvin kanina. No? Mukhang related sa tampakan and other mining. Okay. Sabi ni Zelna, FNI sir, taas income report. Yep, that's correct. And then comments shipment nickel ore to China, Bataan Steel Plant on 2021. Okay, hindi ko pa alam yung part ng ano, no, yung sa shipment ng nickel ore, pero yes, mataas yung income ng FNI considering na nasa pandemic stage last year. Okay, may movement pa siya today. Yun. Uy, maganda rin yung movement niya, no? Although MA50 ha, baka mauntog yan dyan. May clue na siya kanina eh. Oh. Ayan. How about nickel? Mas okay naman to kasi pumatong na siya dun sa MA50. No? So mukhang mga nickel stocks, no, gumaganda rin yung movement nila. So FNI nickel and Mark. Yun nga lang, si Mark is medyo down today, minus 0.75. Ayan. Okay, 12:59 siguro, last two na lang. Check lang natin. Sabi ni Trader Superant, naka-price in na ang PSE. Sana, sana, no, sana. And pa-shoutout daw. Hello sa iyo, Trader Superant. I hope maganda yung maging trading natin. For Don, PX at saka 80. For Felix Mining yan, malakas din siya. I think this is related doon sa ano, no? Kasi nabasa ko nga siya about this one. Phoenix was also mentioned here. Ayun, ito yung binigay na info ni ano, ni ni Alvin kanina. Check that out, basahin. I think ito yung reason kung bakit lumilipad, no. PX and 80, si 80 hindi ko napansin dito, no. May 80 ba? May Atlas ba? Hindi man na-mention. Pero Phoenix, nakita ko si Phoenix. Felix pala, sorry. Felix, ayun. Ayan. Okay. Jim, eto, check this one out also, Jim, no? Mukhang related. Actually, because of this one, most likely, yun nga, as we have witnessed kanina, si mining and oil talaga affected yan. Kumbaga, grupo talaga sila eh. No? Pagka merong magandang news on multiple mining companies, expect na damay-damay sila, the rest. No? Hindi naman lagi, pero at least yun yung observation ko. And then, ACEN mo ka nga abutin sir ng 6 pesos. Yeah, o nga, medyo bumagsak no or bumababa si ACEN. Remember, tomorrow ang kanilang pricing ha. Pricing para sa FOO. Okay? So, we'll see tomorrow kung magkano. Ang FOO price is between 6 pesos hanggang 8.20. So, either of those or kung saan man doon. Now, depende sa magiging pricing, doon natin makikita or at least the expectation is that doon lalapit yung presyo no ni ACEN. Ayan. Okay. So yun lang muna tayo guys no. Maraming salamat. If you have more questions, comment lang kayo below no? And then I'll try to answer them. And then later on, I'll be posting yung timestamp na itong mga pinag-usapan natin for this end of day discussion. Ayan. Okay. So maraming salamat for tuning in. Pasensya na hindi ako nakapag-live kahapon. But yeah, try natin tuloy-tuloy this week. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead and enjoy your trading. Bye.